Common credit report errors. Your credit score and credit report plays a major role in getting a loan or credit card. But some errors will lower your chances of getting a loan or credit card. Let's check what those errors are. First, incorrect information. Always check on your personal information including name, address and phone number. If any of this is incorrect, it could mean that the credit bureau has mistaken you for somebody else. It may also have accounts that belong to the other person listed on your credit report. Second, closed accounts listed as open. Having old debts on your credit report that you have already paid off can raise your credit utilization ratio and lower your credit score. Hence, make sure your closed account shows as closed in your credit report. And if not, raise the dispute with the concerned credit bureau. Third, unfamiliar accounts. Check on your credit report that any unknown or unfamiliar account is not in your name. You need not to be a victim of fraud to have someone else's account that are shown on your credit report. If you notice above, immediately work on it to rectify it. 4. Duplicate accounts. Your credit report may have the same credit card or loan listed multiple times. This can lead to inaccurate information regarding credit utilization, total debt, number of credit accounts, age of your credit accounts. All these inaccuracies negatively impact your credit score and make it difficult to get loan approval or credit card approval. Fifth, inaccurate payment history. In addition to checking your personal details in a credit report, you should check that your account does not mistakenly have a delinquent status. Make sure there have not been any incorrect late payments reported in the past. If you can notice any of these in your credit report, it means you should take immediate action to rectify it. If you are wondering how you can tackle these errors, then don't worry, Apurva will do it for you. Because we are experts in the credit rectification services and provide you a personalized solution in a minimum time span. Apurva.